Oh man, which one do I pick?
How's it going?
Good. Well, here goes nothing.
How's it going?
Good.
Boom!
Among Us! I'm not the rope man.
Carrot? I don't think this is gonna work.
Hey, well, what are you... They spelled ransom wrong! Hello? You misspelled ransom. Look at this! A what?
Hello?
What the?
I'm worth more than this.
I was having my casual picnic.
For you, honey, you can call me Mickey. Oh my god!
Ooh, you taste like
Among Us! Nice!
I'm alive!
I've acquired something you said I'd never have.
Legs. My trap is primed!
That's better.
No, no!
He's got a knife! What?
And that brings us to now.
Oh, hail our queen!
Look at this! Is the imposter. What?
Huh? Pipes.
Boy, I can't believe Among Us is real.
Freddy Fazbear, kiss me.
I dislike you strongly. No.
My ice cream baby paradise!
You love her. I love her. Bob loves Among Us, Among Us, Among Us, Among Us.
That's right, Your Honor.
Mwah.
It really is hot in here.
What a waste.
Thank you. Guys! Well, yeah, posture is really important for your health.
Anyway.
Oh my god! Look! At Among Us.
We still on for lunch?
Sounds good. All right.
Which was I?
Among Us!
There's nothing to worry about.
You know the drill.
I'll fire up the oven. I'm very hands-on. Who wants Chipotle?
You uncultured swine! Oh, yeah.
So, how was your day, Foxy?
Geography.
Move up, fatty. Yeah, no. I'm one hungry. A hungry bird.
What the?
Time to extract this booty.
Why, hello there. My name is Freddy Fazbear.
Whoops.
So, do you have it?
What?
The product.
Hey, I see you're also into bullying children.
What was all that about this being a cartoon?
Hey!
Monkey pump.
Purple Guy Apology Choco Chip Cookies.
Well, off to the dumpster with ya.
And that's when I dragged her to the scooping room and turned her insides into her outsides.
I'll smother your mouths with pungent slide till you turn blue and bloated with bilge and brine. I can feel it in my jugular.
And
I'm not even handicapped.
Do not inhale chemicals.
I'll get it, mateys!
You look so...
This be my favorite part.
Hello?
Oh! What's that?
Hey, y'all!
I can fix that.
His name is Huggy. Huggy Wuggy. He's so adorable!
Old man! Yogi!
Please avoid the moneymaker.
Does this shark have legs?
Kid! Don't let the DJ know.
My feet!
Take my hand!
Nowhere is safe for my boy.
There was a
Guy named Purpley Purpleson who was kidnapped and brought to the Rainbow Friend's house, and the scientists got him and turned him into a purple friend. Rainbow Friend.
and then one
Day he got stuck in the vent and he couldn't find a practical way to get out, and his friends thought he was so ugly that they wouldn't help him.
Since then he's
Still been trapped inside the same vent without food or water for 72 years now. He looks all malnourished and scary and skinny.
but then he had an idea.
Now that he was skinny, he could fit through the bars, so he tried to pull himself up really hard, but his blood sugar was so low that he couldn't stand up. So he's still stuck.
And that's it.
Blue is the color of the sky and the sea. It's the color of cars and also depression. Green is the color of the trees and the grass. It's the color of a frog, pickles and aphids. Orange is the color of an orange.
Is that it?
Red is the color of the apples and the meat. It's the color of you and also the sun. Yellow is the color of him and the cheese. It's the color of sauce, jaundice and teeth. Purple is like eggplants and that guy in the vent. Brown is chocolate feces, gravy corks, and soil. I want to do it. I want to do it. Black is the color of my eyes. Black is not a color. 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 Whoa!
Behold, my pigmented pals, the land of alphabets. Quick, does anyone know their ABCs?
Looks like F's taking an L today.
From the creators of Poppy Playtime Chapter 1, 2, and Fazbear and Friends,
Where am I?
comes a new action-packed adventure.
The explosion hand?
Secrets will be revealed.
I'm Elliot Ludwig.
Gas will be passed. Huggy is back.
What up, fellas?
And the stakes have never been higher.
That's a lot of stakes.
Next summer,
Take my hand!
third time's
What up, fellas?
the harm. Poppy Playtime Chapter 3.
Run, 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 run.
It's time to join the Rainbow Friends.
No! Wait a minute.
A large blue monster chasing us in an abandoned building.
You totally ripped us off!
No, we didn't. Our concept is completely original.
It's sad, really, having to piggyback off someone else's achievements to reach your own goals.
Oh, that's real funny, Buster Brown.
Betty!
Ooh! You solve these puzzles while a tall, creepy monster version of a beloved children's character tries to kill you. Real original, guys.
Real original indeed.
Freddy from FNAF!
Without us, none of you would even exist. Five Nights at Freddy's put indie mascot horror on the map. You know why? Because we were original with our concept. Completely original.
Ahem. A pizzeria that's hosted by beloved anthropomorphic animal animatronic characters. Yeah, I've never seen that before.
Listen, we all just wanted to make a fun game.
Oh, you want to make it a fun game, huh? That's what they all say. Well, I'm tired of being ripped off by insufferable wannabes.
Hey, Chuck, let's just...
And you! You're the reason Chuck E. Cheese is filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy in 2019! Every kid cuts their pants when they see me!
Listen,
I condemn you to rot for eternity in the fiery pits of...
Alright, I'm going home.
Welcome to Musical Memory.
Welcome to Playtime Co. Today you will be competing to the death in a series of classic children's-themed games in a hidden facility while attempting to survive the giant doll to win. Hey, shut up. The game starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
I got this. This be a kiddies game.
Blue. Blue, red, yellow, violet, violet, red,
wait.
yellow, blue, violet, red,
I'm a genius.
Come on, bro, why don't you go?
Among Us, Among Us, Among Us, Among Us.
Oh, okay, wait, no, I've totally seen you use your hands in other shorts.
Among Us, Among Us, Among Us.
He said he can only use his hands when it's funny.
yellow, green, violet, red, green, violet, 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 yellow, green, violet, red, green, violet, 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 red, green.
Ah, my feet!
I understand it, guys. The game isn't about memory, but about propositional equivalences. Aim 4 degrees west of—
Ah, my back!
Oh my god, you guys suck! It's not that hard, look!
Blue.
Whew. This is harder than I thought.
Red. Green. Yellow.
Now, Bunzo.
I can hear again!
Take care, boys. Barbie invited Mommy to Ken's house. Bye-bye.
Looks like it's just I and you tonight, sport. Whoa there, Junior. I don't think my arm works anymore. How you doing, Tiger? You doing okay? This is a bean burrito. Hey there, champ. Knives aren't for babies, they're for murderers.
Oh my god!
My leg doesn't work anymore. Ooh, ouch, ow, corn nuts. Uh-oh. Phew. That's not safe. Not that one. That's weird. Nowhere is safe for my boy.
How's my sweetums?
I'm great.
The baby, honey.
Ah, the baby. He's over there.
Is something burning?
I'm just heating up a burrito.
Oh my goodness! I can't believe there are so many toys around here!
What the?
They're alive? Oh my god, it's just like Toy Story!
No! No toys are alive here!
Oh, they were totally just moving on their own.
Oh, man.
Come on, little guy!
Hey! Stop that! Stop running around our factory!
Fight me, Blue Man Group!
Fine then!
Wait, what? Oh! What's wrong with you?
Whoa. I didn't know we could do that.
Oh, in the name of...
Strike me down! That'd be the funniest costume I've ever laid take me optics upon.
Costume? I'll have ye know that I'm a genuine, bona fide terror of the high seas.
Right, and I be Captain Crunch. Please, I can tell an imposter when I sees one, considering I be an actual pirate captain.
Be that so? Then where's your hook, lass?
You mean me cutlass? Hooks be so 1700s.
Oh, avast! A pirate captain be nothing without his hat.
Ain't ever leave the poop deck without it.
A real captain never be afraid to flaunt his battle scars.
Me legs haven't felt the ground in years.
A captain wouldn't hesitate to take hostages.
A captain leaves no survivors.
No! Bet your booty ain't as bountiful as mine. You've got a bigger ship, I presume. Try pulling this off, you wench! Guilty!
10 years of accordion lessons!
More booty!
More scars!
Wait! I forgot what I was gonna say. I must be their first pirate off.